Okay, now you're ready to use your disco in the sound hole, and you're all excited because your gig is like packed and everybody's there. And now you're going to do the set with all your high energy stuff with your acoustic guitar, which I managed to pull off, so I'm just saying. So you're going to take your resistor out of the light or the diode. You're going to come down here sideways, clip it in, and then slide it right up. And then you are absolutely the most unique acoustic guitar player in the room. And then when you're done, slide it back out, go sideways, so you're not messing with your strings and you're not knocking the light up. And you just put your resistor back in, shuts it off. It should last you a few gigs. Really cool, huh? Prototype. I haven't had them mass produced. I'm producing them myself. So what I need from you guys is this something you would use? What price point do you think I should charge for these? Give me some videos of you using them. If you use them, I would really appreciate that. And I think that's about it. So, Dee signing off. Thanks, guys.